Upon Dozak from Ashemaogha becoming Ahriman, Volume 1 by Dastur Adam Daniels. And it is upon a section that is a version of the book of Arda Viraf. And so my commentary response, understanding, reflects that. And you can't quite see too well, I guess, but these are approximately 4-sided. So I'm going to hold them accordingly and meditate upon the words I'm using. The maintenance saying is of the fourfold programming of happy songs, but the devil calls towards Dozak, the Angra, in the ways that are gentle and strong, to break the righteous ideas of the dark, narrow, and stinking deep well, as he and his company charge ever so long. The just man's book brought it back down from the heavenly to the results of infernality. The wicked ones were axed what materiality or spirituality brought about their conditionality. Oh, the horridness of abrogation and being ignorant of the role of the universal spirit. Angra, Mainyu, destructive spirit. The Davanam Davo, chief devil of demons. Gnog Minog, stinking body, is agent of counter-creation. Akamana, evil mind. Endar, stifling. Na'an ha'itya, Ta'urva, aggression. Ta'urve, Ta'ure, poison. And Asham, wrath, in their lack of religiosity. Now is the time to take your mentality, to be without abrogation with your body and spirituality. With a devil's prophet and the devil's religion. The treatment of this world and the afterlife blends smoothly. Upon a continual sense of duty, from nightmares to the darkest and loneliest of hells, is then welcomed honestly, as full of infernal beings and a goal of spirituality. In the end, the devil will denounce the company of those who professed God's creation and lived evilly, who is without the devil's prophet's religion. Pulsing, drawing inwards on the agate, well, the jasper version of bloodstone. Pulsing outwards upon the agate version of bloodstone. Thin filaments of pink. Wrapping through blue around me. Euphoria down me. I feel a bit sensitive. I've made my decision.